Oh, don't touch it. Can you say hi? Can you say hi? Can you say, what does an elephant say? Good boy. What does a dog say? And what does a cat say? What does a cat say?
Cat got his tongue, he can't speak.
What does a cat say? Oh, yeah, meow. Thank you. And what does a dinosaur say? What does a dinosaur say? Can you say that? Oh, good job. And what does a cow say? Meow. What does a monkey say? What does a monkey say? Stop touching that. Okay, say bye-bye. Say bye. Can you say bye-bye? Yeah. All right.